go. All right, I wanted to highlight a couple tools and strategies that we use to help students keep some spellings straight or to keep their knowledge of how to form letters straight. So the first one is the common B versus D. As you're likely aware, they are very commonly switched. And at this point, it is very common. Think about it. It's a circle and a stick. And same with P and Q, circles and sticks. And it's really dependent on how they're oriented, which direction they're facing. So one of the strategies we use is this. So it's make your bed pretty quickly. And so this is, students have these at their desk too, as well. And we also have something that goes with it with our hands. So it's make your bed. So if you see them going like this, here is the B, ed, and it goes down pretty quickly. So I'll bring this out so you can see it a little easier. So it's make your bed pretty quickly. And this is just kind of a visual here, as well as on their hands, of which way the letter faces based on the sound. So this is a tool that we have at school, and many students will refer to it as we go through. A lot of times I'll see them go like this, because B and D are probably the most common ones that are switched. B, D. So B, circle and stick, and then the circle. So you can see that. So we use that strategy to keep the B, D, P, and Q oriented the correct way. And we also have one other strategy. This one has to do with spelling. It's called the cat kite rule. What that is because we have now learned that C says k and K says k. So students will think, well, how am I supposed to know which one to use? One of the rules we use is called cat kite. And so what that is if it is a C, that's the cat. Usually the C is followed by an A, an O, or U. So if they have k and it's followed by an A, O, or U, they should be using C for cat. On the other hand, we have kite, and if they hear k followed by I, the spelling I, or E, they should follow the kite rule and use a K. Now there are some exceptions to both of these rules, but in general, this is where we do. We have a much better poster in our classroom that shows the cat kite rule that they can reference. But you'll hear, when they hear k, a lot of times they'll look over to that. Is it going to be a cat or a kite, depending on what that next spelling is. So cat kite rule will help them straighten out. Is it going to be a C they use for k or a K for k?